In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money using Canva. Okay, this is a tool that you can open an account 100% for free, but most people don't know that there is a way in which they can make money online. And I'm going to show you everything step by step in this video. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently with different ways in which you can make money online, and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can make money using Canva. Okay, keep watching the entire video, guys, because at the end, I'm going to be revealing a bonus. So you're going to have two ways in which you can actually earn money online in this video. Okay, now let me show you everything step by step, and let me go to my computer. This is going to be a quick video but I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. First of all, what is Canva, just in case that you don't know, it's a free design tool in which you can do several things. It doesn't matter if you don't have any kind of design skills. They have everything, including free templates, free images, free fonts. So you don't have to worry about like, where should I go? Oh no, I don't know where to start it. And it's super easy, really friendly, and really professional. Okay, so you can start with Spire. As you can see here, you can collaborate if you have team members. You can share information. They do have several templates, as I told you, so you don't need to start from scratch. They do have real-time collaboration, building comments. Okay, there is a free version. This is a version that we are going to be going to, but I want to show you guys how you can do it. Diana, okay, I noticed that there is a free version and there is a pro version. Okay, it's okay, guys, to start it with the free version. I even use Canva with the free version for a really, really long time. This is actually my Canva account. I have a personal account, which is 100% free, and I have a pro account. Okay, but for this video, I'm going to show you everything with the free account. You're going to see here that I have two accounts here. Okay, now let's go just with the free one because I want to show you that everything is possible just with this free account. As I told you, I use this free account for like a year or so, and everything was actually perfect. Okay, so you can start with this one, and then if you want to go with another one, you can go with another one. Okay, these, depending on what I have been working in the past, these are things that they show me that they might be interested. Okay, but you're gonna see that here you have presentations. Okay, you can also have some templates here. Okay, you are gonna have videos. Yes, you can do videos. Okay, with templates for mobile, for video messages, for video collage, for YouTube ads. Okay, print products. Okay, so you can have business cards, postcards, flyers, invitation, posters, even templates with mugs. Okay, gift certificates. Okay, if you want, you can design logos, labels, Facebook ads, and as I told you, there are tons of templates here. But for this example, okay, you can actually click this by yourself. But for this example, okay, I want to show you everything with the social media. Okay, we're going to go with social media. What we can do with social media? Well, we can go with Instagram posts, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, even WhatsApp status, Facebook covers, Instagram reels, TikTok videos, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube intros. Okay, so we have here, for example, all about Instagram, all about Facebook, and some templates here. Really good looking, really professional. So now we have our Canva account. We know that we are going to go in this case with social media. Now, what we need to do? Well, there is another free tool that you can open that is the keyword planner for Google Ads. Okay, but we are not going to be, paying anything. Okay, we are going to be doing this just for research purpose. Okay, we're going to be doing research just for a research purpose because we want to make sure that whatever we're going to be working on, there is a demand. So if there is a demand, people are going to be paying for it. So we're going to go here where it says discover new keyword. Okay, here on discover new keyword, we're gonna put that the location. It's gonna be all the location, and here my language. I put it. Okay, English, and I'm gonna type, for example, Instagram. Okay, get results, and it's gonna show me what people are looking for Instagram. For example, they're looking for Instagram web. Okay, Instagram stories viewer. Okay, so let me see if I want to go with, for example, Instagram, but I want to go with Instagram templates. Okay, Instagram templates. And you're going to see, for example, we have here Instagram templates. Okay, between 10,000 and 100,000 people are searching for this term or average. But we want to go with something specific. Okay, the more specific you go, the bigger the chances are that you are going to earn money. So for example, we have here Instagram post templates. So people are looking for this kind of templates between 10,000 to 100,000 times per month. That's a lot. Okay, we also have the Instagram story templates between 10,000 to 100,000 times per month. If we go back to Canva, okay, and we're going to go here where it says Instagram, we have the Instagram post templates, and we even have the stories, okay? So this is something that we can sell, and we do not need to start from scratch. Okay, we can do the same, for example, with Facebook or with YouTube. Let's say that we're going to go with Facebook and we're going to go with templates. Okay, so for example, we have Facebook post templates between 1,000 to 10,000. Facebook cover template between 1,000 to 10,000. And remember, this is actually per month. Okay, we're actually looking on here in this column. This is the monthly search average. This is the term I wrote. Okay, and they are giving me ideas because I asked them. So right now, what I notice is that there are more people trying to find these products, but for Instagram. Okay, cool. So now I need a place in which I'm going to be selling it, right? And I need a design. So what you're going to be doing is, for example, I'm going to go with the Instagram post. I'm going to click here where it says Instagram post. This is something really, really cool that I like about Canva is the fact that you can start from scratch. Okay. I don't need to be dealing with the weight and height. I have everything here, and I have tons of templates here. Okay. I do have tons of templates. Okay, that I can use for free, that I can actually rearrange it, okay, the way I want to change the colors. If I don't want to use templates, there are tons of elements here, okay? There are tons of elements, and I can even do a search here. I can upload elements, okay? So this is something that I really like about Canva, that I have everything that I need here, okay? But for this, we're going to be working actually with the templates, okay? Because I'm going to be pretending that you guys don't know, or don't have any kind of design skill, because I don't want that to be an excuse, okay? By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, let me know if you have ever used Canva before, or this is going to be the very first time. Remember, you can open a free account, okay, just by going to canva.com. Okay, now let me go back to the video. So here I have, some templates. Fantastic. Now, where we can sell this, okay? There's a website that it's called Etsy. You can go to etsy.com and you can open and store, okay? If I go and I'm going to go with Instagram, okay, you're going to see that it's telling me that people are looking for Instagram templates, okay? If I go to Instagram template, I'm going to see that people are looking for things here done in Canva. Okay, but I can also go and niche down, for example, for business, for real estate, for skincare, okay, for jewelry, blue. So I can go with something really raw, For example, Instagram template, I want to see what people are offering. For example, they're offering these bundle packs for $30, $10, even over $1,000 a year. Okay, $3.99. Okay, so I want you guys to see this. Okay, but let's say that we're going to be more specific. Okay, we're going to be going more specific. So we're going to go, for example, for real estate. Okay, what are people are looking for? Okay, what are they selling? Okay, for example, we have the real estate all-in-one classic template, almost $30. This one's $30. This one is 1962, 42, 13, 28.89, 31, 28.89, $30. Okay, so these are actual people who are looking for this. For example, let's say new client pack. Okay, so if I click here, you're gonna see the designs that this guy are offering, and we can do this. We can actually do this on Canva. Okay, you're gonna see that this is something that people can edit and do it on Canva by themselves. So really easy, really simple. And again, you can find a template. Okay, you can find a template. Let's say that we're gonna go with this one. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, and let's say that you want to delete this element, or you want to add other elements like an arrow. Okay, I can type here, for example, arrow. I can click it. Okay, and as you can see, I can have the opportunity to drag and drop the elements. I can change the color if I want. I can put it smaller. I can put it bigger. Okay, so there is a lot of things that you can actually do this, and you can model what other people are selling. Now, I understand that you might be looking for something different. Okay, chances are that you're like here and you're like, okay, there are some other type of arrows. Okay, continuing with my example, I don't like this one. I have other things in mind. What you can do, well, you will need to find royalty-free images. Okay, so with that said, you're going to go to google.com and you're going to type royalty-free images, and you're going to find sites such as Pexels, Unsplash, Pixabay, freeimages.com, in which you can find royalty-free images. So that means that these are going to be images and even videos, because remember that you can handle videos on Canva, that you can actually use and sell on Etsy. Okay, so there's no excuses, guys. Okay, there's an easy way in which you can actually earn money. Also, yeah, if you know sites such as Fiverr, and you can put them your designs as well, and people are going to be able to buy it. Remember, guys, that at the beginning of the video, I told you that I'm going to give you a bonus, another way in which you can actually earn even more money online. So if you guys are ready to discover what's my number one recommendations to make money online, and this is something that I really like and I really enjoy, is to have it passive income. So that means that you're going to have the opportunity to earn money while you travel, earn money while you sleep. You're going to have the opportunity, to build a business while you have your regular 9 to 5. I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Keep watching the next video.